Hello everyone, in this video we're going to set up the child theme for Elementor. And the reason we want a child theme is because if you don't have one, there's a bit of a problem. So when you go to update your site, so the theme, Hello Elementor, or whatever theme you choose, is likely going to be updated, or it should be updated as PHP versions change or they update features. You want to have an up-to-date theme. The problem is if you store any, like let's say you change the link color from blue to red or something like that, and you store that style change in your parent theme, and then you go and update the parent theme, that's going to wipe out all of the style changes that you've made. So by creating a child theme, you're able to store all of your style changes and or feature upgrades or code revisions in a child theme. And then when the parent theme gets updated, it doesn't wipe out your customizations because those are located in the child theme. So it allows you to stay up to date without having to rewrite all of your customizations every time you update the theme. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go over to plugins and we're going to click it. Or you can click add new plugin. We'll get there the same way. So I'm going to click add new plugin and we're going to add a plugin. The plugin we're going to use is called Child Theme Configurator, but if you just type in child theme, it should be one of the first options. So Child Theme Configurator allows you to create a child theme based off of a parent. So we can click install now and then activate. And then I believe it's in tools. So we'll go tools and then child themes. And then here we can create a child theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is select a parent theme and make sure it says Hello Elementor. And that's the theme we're going to create the child theme based off of. We'll click analyze. Okay, it appears to be okay. And the theme loads additional style sheets after the style.css file. And that probably doesn't mean anything to you. It's not a huge deal to go into that, but we're going to keep this named Hello Elementor Child with hyphens in between the words. And then I'm going to say a separate style sheet. And I like using the separate style sheet just because I like to have my own customized changes separate from the theme that is given to us. So that allows me to write my own changes in my own little isolated box and then just attach them to the existing theme. But because the child theme is being configured and given to us by the plugin, it's most likely not going to make that big of a deal or make that big of a difference. So either one of these should be fine, but I just like to do the separate style sheet. And then the next thing is we're going to use the WordPress style queue and let the configurator determine the appropriate actions. And then we'll go down to customize the child theme name, description, etc. We'll make sure it says Hello Elementor Child. You can keep them the original defaults. And then if you've already set up menus, widgets, or other things, then you'll want to use this option, which replaces the child theme's existing menus, widgets, etc. with the things that you currently have set up. And then from there, we'll hit create new child theme. Okay, and it looks like it worked. So now if we go to appearance and themes, we see Hello Elementor and Hello Elementor Child. And so now we want to activate the child theme. Okay, and it said new theme activated, but it didn't switch over. So let me refresh this page. And now if you see active Hello Elementor Child, you know that we have everything set up properly. And so now everything's going to look exactly the same, but our customizations or our theme customizations and any sort of theme settings and styles and all of that can go in a separate isolated theme. And then when Hello Elementor updates, the element or child theme will be based off the updated version, but because it's separated, none of your changes will be overwritten. And so that's what we want. And so I know it doesn't look like we did much, but this is actually a better setup than what we had before. And that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about how child themes work in more detail, then I should have another video that goes more in depth about how they work and how to set them up somewhere around the page where you're watching this video. And that's it, and have a good day. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos, and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.